Shanghai 吧。
Passengers get off first before you get on the train if there is only one door.
I just wanna spin the record. We can turn up in a second. Hey. I just wanna spin the record. We can turn up in a second. Hey. You can take it all.
Alright, first stop, getting a hairband. Should I get a pink one? Should get a pink one? Aww. Are you saying you're pretty? There's much more options. I think I always go with Minnie. I want to be Aurora or maybe the Queen today. Something different. China.
Asian maybe?
Yeah, Asian Minnie Mouse. I think I want to get this one. Let me see, let me see. Kita. Suzy, what do you think about this? Not so much.
Sama je okay je.
Is it okay? Let me see.
Min should get this one. I think Min should get this one.
This is cheaper.
Mira, do you think Min should get this one? I rasa dia kena dengan outfit dia. Why are you being a bunny? Why do you want to be a bunny?
Dia Professor Mira.
Professor ke
Professor. What
Police?
Officer Mira.
Zootopia ke?
Okay, so right now we're at the department store. If you buy anything from the department store, we'll get 10% off before noon. So right now we're trying to find things that we want to buy, like merchandises. So I feel like I wanna get a snow globe. And then for my sister, I think she wants a keychain, so I gotta find that. And then I saw the hairband issue. I suddenly wanted a Mickey Mouse, but they don't have Mickey Mouse here. Okay, so I'm finding a keychain from Diana. She said she wants something that doesn't look like a kid, but at the same time it's cool to wear, you know? Oh, okay. Buying something functional is also good, like this one. It's actually a nail clipper. And then for myself, I think I want to get a snow globe or something like this. This is actually quite cute and it's not that expensive. And it says Disneyland Shanghai Resort. Oh, it's a photo clip. Oh, okay. Okay, so here are the snow globe options, which are really cute as well. Maybe the Stitch one. I never had a Stitch one. 99. Or like this is a Donald Duck one. Okay, I'm not gonna buy that much, but I just want a bag. So yeah. Alright, so I have my keychain. My sister. This is my... Okay, and then I'm gonna get this one. Photo clip.
We get chill up on the low. And this song really hits it all.
Okay, so we paid our things together, and now we can like masuk ini cabutan bertuah. Alright, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what do we get?
Kita nak apa?
I don't mind. Coupon pun best juga.
Kita treasure coupon tau ke? Yalah, lambat pula dia bikin.
5 days later. Keychain, okay. Yay, get free keychain. 谢谢. Alright, so after buying the stuff, we're off to our first section atau land. Maybe we're going to Tomorrowland, I think. Or light here. Decided just to get the hairband that I wanted earlier, because I didn't see any Mickey Mouse. So we're gonna go and try the first ride. I think we're gonna go queue for Tron, because that's the special one here. So yeah.
I just wanna spin the record.
there's no Alice like teacup, like the teacup ride, like the spinning one. So instead, there's this one called the honey ride. So basically, we're in a pot of honeys and we just have to spin. Similar concept to the Alice in Wonderland. Honey pot, Kaza. Honey pot, honey pot. Come, Mira, come. Once you send me, janganlah hot space. Space hoarder. Wow, gemuk ya. Aku cakap aku bukan kau.
Ni design untuk budak-budak ni. Sekali kita pakai.
You turn up in a second. Hey.
So we decided to go for the single ride. So we're going to go separately and we're gonna go on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So right now we're gonna get on like a water ride and it's so cold, it's like 4 degrees. We're still gonna do it and we bought ourselves some ponchos. Babe, dia akan basah, babe, trust me. Dia percaya tapi basah sejuk. It's gonna just be cold.
Lah,
Aku biasa elok.
Nobody to hold. The people in here are crazy. Faking a smile now, been here for a while now. I'm fed up with this, I just wanna go home. But damn, that girl set me up with her. Dance with me, baby, dance with me, baby, let's get lost right here. This guy's just a douchebag. I'm so disappointed in myself. The look on her faces, I hope we go places. I'm left all alone. Should have stayed at home and searched how.
Alright, so we ended our day today in Disneyland Shanghai. Right now it's 5 PM and we're gonna go out and get our lunch / dinner, I guess. So yeah, that's the end of it. Just want to say bye bye to it. Oh my god. Alright, the end of the trip. Babe, oh tu Cheesecake Factory babe. I tak nak try. Babe, it's the Cheesecake Factory. Yo, let's.
Yo, that's rat fam.
Baby, let's get